I'm Chris from Australian Jeweller Supplies in Sydney, and I'd like to talk to you about our extensive toolkit range. Today we talk about the saw kit. The saw kit contains one adjustable saw frame, a set of blades that are varying sizes, and you can buy them in a bundle of 12 or 12 bundles in a pack. Sawing pen, which contains a clamp which you can clamp to your table or bench, whichever suits you. Lube, which is very important when you're sawing, but also can be used for drilling and burring. A double-ended scriber, which obviously is great for straight making a line, or you can mark a point for when you do drill and burn. An engineer's square, and a set of dividers, which obviously you can make circles, straight lines, whichever. So it's a way to go. So come in, have fun, and get one.